Welcome to Butler Montessori. I'm Kelly Nguyen, Admissions Director here at Butler Montessori, and I'm so delighted you're here and considering us for your child's education. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our school. We are an AMI certified school for 18 months all the way to 9th grade, 15 years old, and we're on 22 acres of land, this beautiful naturescape that backs up to Seneca Creek State Park. Take some time to look at all of our links and explore our website. We have tons of YouTube videos, and you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Get a sense of how our school is, what's our community like, what it looks like in the classroom, what it looks like all around campus. And if you'd like to learn more information about our school, I encourage you to schedule a virtual tour. You can click any of the buttons on our website that says schedule a tour now, and I'll be so happy to answer any questions that you have.